and Ding Ding, let's go play. We love the seasons every day. Spring is here, the flowers grow. Watch them blooming in a row. Toto giggles, look at that. Ding Ding wears a flower hat.
We are spinning so
Spring,
fast!
summer, autumn, winter too. So many things for us to do. Spinning, jumping, clapping along. Singing our happy season song. Summer's hot, the sun shines bright. Golden rays of happy light. Toto splashes in the pool. Ding Ding barks to keep so cool. Crunch, crunch, leaves are falling down. Orange, yellow, red, and
Wow,
brown.
look at them go!
Autumn's here, catch a leaf. Ding Ding chases it